Hey guys, welcome back to Forceful Anime. If you love intense anime stories, dark twists, and powerful what if fanfics, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we bring you epic Naruto fanfics, alternate timelines, and stories that will completely change how you see your favorite characters. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's story. Video title: Naruto finally understood. Asuma's will lives on. Let's begin the story. The Hidden Leaf village was alive. But Naruto Uzumaki felt none of it. The streets were filled with people. Children laughed. Shinobi moved on missions. Life was normal. But Naruto's heart wasn't. It was that day again. The day Asuma Sarutobi died. Years had passed. Wars had ended. Enemies had fallen. Naruto had become Hokage. And yet, some wounds never healed. Naruto stood quietly near the memorial stone. No guards. No attention. No Hokage presence. Just Naruto. His eyes scanned the engraved names. And stopped. Asuma Sarutobi. A slow breath escaped him. It still feels the same. His voice was low, almost lost in the wind. He knelt down and placed fresh flowers. Carefully, respectfully, like this moment mattered more than anything else. I wasn't even your student, Naruto said. A small pause. But you still taught me something important. The wind moved gently. Leaves rolled across the ground. And for a moment, Naruto closed his eyes. Memories flashed. Asuma laughing calmly. Smoke drifting in the air. Shikamaru arguing lazily. Choji eating without worry. That team. They always felt complete. Naruto opened his eyes again. A faint sadness lingered. If I was stronger back then. He stopped. Didn't finish. Because he already knew. Some things couldn't be changed. Footsteps approached. Naruto didn't turn. Troublesome day. Shikamaru Nara. He stood beside Naruto. Hands in pockets. Eyes calm. But heavy. Naruto gave a small nod. Yeah. Shikamaru looked at the name on the stone. For a few seconds. He said nothing. Then quietly. Still feels like yesterday. Naruto didn't respond. He didn't need to. Another presence arrived. Choji. Holding a small box of food. Asuma's favorite. He placed it down gently. And bowed his head. Three of them stood there. No conversation. No noise. Just silence. Time passed. No one knew how long. And then, Naruto felt it. A shift. Subtle. Strange. His eyes narrowed slightly. Wait. Shikamaru immediately noticed. What is it? Naruto didn't answer. His senses sharpened. That feeling. It was faint. But real. Do you feel that? Naruto asked. Choji looked confused. Feel what? Shikamaru frowned. I thought it was just me. The air changed. The wind slowed. The space around them felt different. Naruto stood up slowly. This isn't normal. Something moved. Not in front. Not behind. But around them. Choji stepped back slightly. I don't like this. Naruto focused. His instincts were clear. This wasn't an enemy. But it wasn't safe either. It feels familiar. Shikamaru looked at him. Familiar. Naruto nodded slowly. Like something I felt before. But that didn't make sense. Because he hadn't. Not like this. The wind suddenly stopped. Completely. And then, it happened. A flicker. Right in front of the memorial stone. All three froze. Did you see that? Choji whispered. Naruto didn't answer, because his eyes were locked. The flicker appeared again, stronger, clearer, and for a brief moment, a shape formed. A person, tall, still, holding something. Naruto's breath slowed. Number way. Shikamaru stepped forward. What did you see? Naruto didn't look away. Someone. Choji's voice trembled. Who? Naruto hesitated, because saying it felt impossible. I don't know. The figure flickered again, and this time, Naruto saw it clearer. A hand, holding blades. Chakra blades. Shikamaru's eyes widened. That's, Naruto whispered. Asuma's. The air froze. Everything stopped. The figure turned slightly, as if it was looking at them. Naruto's heart began to race. This isn't real, but it felt real. Too real. Naruto took a step forward. Slow, careful. Asuma. The moment the name left his lips, the presence reacted. The air shook. The figure flickered violently. And then, it disappeared. Silence. Heavy. Unmoving. Choji looked around. It's gone. Shikamaru's eyes remained focused. No. Naruto stood still, his mind racing. It's not gone. The wind returned slowly. But something had changed. Naruto clenched his fist. Something started today. Shikamaru looked at him. Yeah. Naruto's voice turned firm. And I'm going to find out what it is. Far beyond them, deep within the forest, that presence still lingered, watching, waiting, because this wasn't just memory. This was something else, something impossible, and Naruto had just felt it. The forest felt wrong. The moment Naruto stepped inside, the air changed. The sounds of the village faded behind him. No birds, no wind, no movement, just silence. Heavy, unnatural silence. Naruto stopped for a moment. His eyes scanned the trees. That presence. It was still there. Faint, but steady. Like it was waiting for him. Behind him, Shikamaru and Choji followed closely. This is getting worse, Choji whispered. Shikamaru nodded slightly. Yeah, this isn't normal chakra. Naruto didn't reply, because his focus was elsewhere. That feeling, it wasn't hostile, but it wasn't peaceful either. It's calling me, Naruto said quietly. Shikamaru frowned. Calling you? Naruto nodded slowly. Yeah. He took another step forward. Then another. And without realizing it, he was walking deeper. The forest grew darker, the trees thicker, the air heavier, until Naruto suddenly stopped. Here, Shikamaru and Choji halted behind him. The clearing ahead was empty. Completely still. Choji looked around nervously. There's nothing here. Naruto narrowed his eyes. No. A pause. Something's here. The wind died completely. Not even a single leaf moved. And then, the air distorted. Right in front of them. Shikamaru's eyes sharpened. It's happening again. The distortion flickered. Once. Twice. Then slowly, it began to take shape. Choji stepped back. Number way. A figure. Tall. Standing still. And in its hand, chakra began to form. Blades. Naruto's breath slowed. Just like before, Shikamaru whispered. Asuma sensei. The figure didn't move. Didn't speak. It just stood there. Like it didn't fully exist. Naruto stepped forward. Who are you? No answer. Only silence. The figure flickered slightly. Unstable. Naruto's eyes softened. You're not an enemy. Shikamaru immediately reacted. Naruto, wait. But Naruto raised his hand, stopping him. I can feel it, Naruto said. There's no killing intent. Choji looked confused. Then what is it? Naruto didn't answer. Instead, he stepped closer. The figure reacted, not by attacking, but by shifting slightly, like it was unsure, like it didn't understand. Naruto stopped just a few feet away. You're searching for something, he said. Silence. Then suddenly, the figure moved. Fast. It lunged forward. Chakra blade aimed straight at Naruto. Naruto reacted instantly, blocking the strike with his arm. The impact pushed him back. So you can fight. The figure didn't stop. It attacked again. Precise. Controlled. Every movement. Familiar. Too familiar. Shikamaru jumped in. Shadow possession jutsu. His shadow stretched, connected, for a second, then broke. What? Shikamaru's eyes widened. It broke free. Choji charged forward. I'll stop it. He attacked. But the figure vanished. Gone. Choji hit nothing. Naruto's senses flared. Above, the figure reappeared midair, striking down again. Naruto blocked, this time grabbing its arm. For a moment, they were face to face. Naruto stared into it. You're not him. The figure froze. Just for a second. Naruto tightened his grip. But you're connected to him. The aura flickered violently, like it reacted to those words. Shikamaru shouted, Naruto, move. But Naruto didn't. Instead, he spoke again. What are you? Silence. Then, a voice. Faint. Broken. Protect. All three froze. Choji's eyes widened. It spoke. Shikamaru didn't say anything, because he heard it too. Naruto's grip loosened slightly. Protect. The figure trembled. Its form became unstable again, like it was struggling. Naruto stepped back slowly. That's not just a word. Shikamaru's voice lowered. It's a will. The air shifted again. That deeper presence, the one Naruto felt before, surged. Stronger. Heavier. Like something was waking up. Naruto looked at the figure again. You're not here to fight us. Silence. You are trying to tell us something. Choji swallowed. Tell us what? Naruto took a step forward. His eyes steady. About him. The figure flickered. About Asuma. The moment the name was spoken, the aura exploded. The ground trembled. The trees shook violently. Shikamaru shouted, Naruto. But Naruto didn't move. He stood firm. You're carrying his will, aren't you? Silence. Then, a pulse. Strong. Clear. Naruto's eyes widened slightly. I knew it. Shikamaru exhaled slowly. So it's true. Choji looked shocked. This is Asuma sensei's will. Naruto shook his head slightly. Not all of it. A pause. Just a part. The wind returned. Slow. Unsteady. Naruto looked directly at the figure. You are incomplete. The figure trembled, like it understood. Naruto clenched his fist. And you're searching for something to finish it. Silence. Then, a faint pulse of chakra. Like an answer. Naruto nodded slowly. Then we'll help you. Shikamaru looked at him. You're serious. Naruto's voice was firm. Yeah. He stepped forward again. Because whatever this is, his eyes sharpened. It started on the day he died. The wind picked up, leaves swirling around them. Naruto's voice turned cold. And I'm not letting it end the same way. Deep within the forest, that unseen presence moved again. Watching, waiting, because something bigger was about to begin. The air grew heavier. Not slowly, not gradually, instantly. Naruto felt it first. That shift, that sudden pressure, different from before. This wasn't the same presence. Naruto, Shikamaru said quietly. I feel it too. Choji stepped back slightly. This one feels bad. Naruto's eyes hardened. Yeah, because this time, it was hostile. The figure beside Naruto reacted. Its chakra flared slightly, not unstable, alert, like it recognized something. Naruto noticed. You know this, don't you? The figure didn't speak, but its aura tightened. And then, the ground trembled. A deep rumble echoed through the forest. Leaves shook violently. Branches cracked. Choji's voice trembled. What is that? Naruto didn't answer. His eyes stayed fixed ahead. It's coming. From the shadows. Something moved. Slowly. Not like a human. Not like a creature. Like a distortion. Shikamaru's voice dropped. That's not normal chakra. The shape stepped into the clearing. Tall. Twisted. Its form constantly shifting. Like it couldn't stay stable. Naruto narrowed his eyes. So you're the reason. No response. Only silence. But the air. It felt wrong. Cold. Empty. The figure beside Naruto stepped forward. Standing between him and the shadow. Naruto noticed. You're protecting me. No answer. But the intent was clear. The shadow moved. Suddenly, a burst of dark chakra shot forward. Naruto reacted instantly, blocking it with his own chakra. The impact shook the ground. TCH. Choji shouted. It's strong. Shikamaru formed a hand sign. Shadow possession. But before it could connect, the shadow moved again. Faster. It struck from the side. Naruto dodged. Barely. It's not just attacking, Naruto said. It's targeting something. Shikamaru's eyes widened. The will. Naruto nodded. Yeah. The shadow turned, its focus locking onto the figure. Choji realized. It wants that thing. The figure's chakra flared again. Stronger now. Like it was responding. Naruto stepped forward. I won't let you touch it. The shadow attacked again. Faster. More violent. Naruto blocked. Sliding back. The ground cracked beneath his feet. This thing is unstable, Shikamaru said. But powerful. The figure moved. In a flash, it clashed with the shadow. Chakra blades cutting through the dark energy. For a moment, they stood equal. Naruto watched closely. You're getting stronger. The figure didn't answer, but its movements were sharper now. More precise. Like it was remembering. The shadow roared, a distorted sound. And then, it changed. Its form expanded, growing larger, more unstable. Choji stepped back. It's getting worse. Naruto clenched his fist. Because it's incomplete. Shikamaru looked at him. Like that figure. Naruto nodded. Exactly. Both of them. Incomplete. One carrying will, one consuming it. The shadow attacked again. This time with full force. A massive wave of dark chakra rushed forward. Choji shouted. Watch out. Naruto stepped forward. Stay back. The figure moved beside him. Standing next to him. Not behind. Naruto glanced at it. You chose to fight. Silence. But it didn't move away. Naruto smiled faintly. Good. He clenched his fist. Then let's finish this. The wind roared. Naruto's chakra surged. Bright. Powerful. The figure's chakra rose alongside his. Two different energies. But connected. The shadow launched its attack. Naruto stepped forward. The figure moving in perfect sync. Their powers collided with the darkness. The impact shook the entire forest. Trees bent, ground cracked, air exploded. For a moment, everything froze. Light against darkness, will against emptiness. Then, the darkness pushed back, stronger. Naruto gritted his teeth. It's not enough. The figure trembled, its form flickering, like it was losing stability. Naruto saw it. You're still incomplete. The shadow surged again, striking harder. Naruto was pushed back. Choji shouted, Naruto! Shikamaru clenched his fists. We need something more. Naruto stood still, breathing heavily, his eyes focused. Something more. Then, he realized. This wasn't just about power. This was about will. Naruto stepped forward again. You're not just a fragment. The figure looked at him. You're his promise. The aura reacted. Stronger, more stable. Naruto's voice grew firm. And I'm going to complete it. The wind shifted. Warm, familiar. The figure's form changed. For a moment, it became clearer. Naruto's eyes widened. Asuma Sensei. The shadow roared, charging forward for one final attack. Naruto didn't move back. He stepped forward. This ends now. The figure moved with him. Perfectly. Together, two wills, one purpose. The final clash began. And this time, everything would be decided. The final clash shook the entire forest. A blinding burst of light and darkness collided in the center of the clearing. Trees bent, the ground cracked, the air itself trembled under the pressure. Naruto stood at the front, unmoving, unyielding. The shadow roared again, its form twisting violently as it pushed forward. It wasn't just attacking anymore. It was desperate. Naruto gritted his teeth. It's trying to erase it. Behind him, the figure flickered, its form unstable again, like it was being torn apart. Shikamaru shouted, Naruto, if that thing absorbs it. Naruto cut him off. It won't. His voice was calm, but absolute. The shadow surged again, stronger than before. Naruto was pushed back. His feet slid across the ground. Damn it. Choji stepped forward. We'll help you. Naruto shook his head. No. Shikamaru frowned. What do you mean no? Naruto didn't look back. This isn't a fight we can win with numbers. A pause. This is about will. The wind suddenly shifted. Warm. Steady. Naruto closed his eyes. For just a moment. And remembered. Asuma standing calmly, smoking, smiling. Shinobi don't just fight for themselves. Naruto's eyes opened. They fight for the next generation. The figure reacted. Its aura surged. Stronger, more stable. Naruto stepped forward again. You're not just a fragment. The shadow attacked, a massive wave of darkness crashing toward them. Naruto didn't move. You are everything he left behind. The figure stepped beside him. Not flickering, not unstable, standing firm. And that's enough. Naruto's chakra exploded outward. Bright, blazing. The figure's chakra followed. Sharp, focused. Two powers. Now perfectly aligned. The darkness collided with them. But this time, it didn't push them back. It stopped. Shikamaru's eyes widened. They're holding it. Choji stared. No, they're overpowering it. Naruto stepped forward. You're not taking anything from him. The shadow screamed, its form breaking apart under the pressure. Naruto raised his hand. Now, the figure moved. Perfect timing. Its chakra blades cut through the darkness. Naruto's power surged forward, and together, they struck. A massive explosion of light filled the forest. The shadow shattered, its form breaking into fragments, then disappearing completely. Silence. The forest stilled. The wind returned. Soft, gentle. Naruto exhaled slowly. It's over. Choji dropped to one knee. That was insane. Shikamaru relaxed slightly. Yeah, way too troublesome for one day. Naruto turned, looking at the figure beside him. It stood still, calm, complete. No flickering, no instability. Naruto stepped closer. You did it. The figure didn't speak, but the air around it softened. Naruto smiled faintly. You're protected. A soft pulse of chakra responded. Warm, peaceful. Shikamaru walked up beside Naruto. Looks like it found its purpose. Choji nodded. Yeah. Naruto looked at the figure one last time. You can rest now. For a moment, nothing happened. Then, the figure slowly raised its hand, mirroring Naruto. A silent goodbye. Naruto's eyes softened. Yeah, the figure began to fade. Not violently, not painfully, but peacefully, like it was finally letting go. Its form dissolved into light, then disappeared completely. The forest fell silent again. But this time, it wasn't heavy. It was peaceful. Naruto lowered his hand. He's gone, Choji said softly. Shikamaru nodded. Yeah, but Naruto shook his head. No, they both looked at him. Naruto placed his hand on his chest. He's right here. The wind moved gently, warm, familiar. Shikamaru gave a small smile. Yeah, Choji nodded. Always. Naruto looked toward the sky. For the first time, there was no regret, only understanding. Thank you, Asuma sensei. The wind answered, soft and steady. The forest slowly returned to normal. The heavy pressure was gone. The darkness had disappeared. Only the soft sound of wind remained, moving gently through the trees. Naruto stood still for a moment, his breathing calm, his eyes quiet. Something inside him had changed. Not power, not strength, understanding. Shikamaru walked up beside him, hands in his pockets. Feels lighter, he said. Naruto nodded. Yeah. Choji stretched his arms slightly. That thing is really gone, right? Naruto looked forward, then shook his head slowly. Not completely. Choji blinked. What do you mean? Naruto placed his hand on his chest. Because this wasn't something meant to disappear. A small pause. It was something meant to be passed on. Shikamaru's eyes softened. The will of fire. Naruto smiled faintly. Yeah, they stood there quietly. Not as fighters, not as shinobi, but as people who understood something important. After a moment, Naruto turned. Let's go back. Shikamaru sighed lightly. Finally, I was getting tired of this place. Choji smiled. And I'm hungry. Naruto chuckled softly. Some things never change. They began walking back toward the village. The forest behind them grew distant. But something from it stayed with them. Later that evening, the sun began to set over Konoha. Golden light covered the village. Naruto stood once again near the memorial stone. The same place, the same name, but this time, everything felt different. He stepped forward slowly and knelt down. Asuma sensei, he said quietly. A gentle wind passed. Naruto's voice was calm, clear. I understand now. A pause. You didn't just protect your team. You protected the future. Shikamaru and Choji stood behind him, silent, listening. Naruto placed his hand on the ground. And that future doesn't end. The wind moved again. Soft, warm. Shikamaru closed his eyes briefly. Yeah, he said. That's the whole point. Choji nodded. We'll keep protecting it. Naruto stood up slowly. Together, the sun dipped lower, light fading into orange. Naruto looked at the name one last time. Asuma Sarutobi. And this time, he smiled. Not out of sadness, but respect. Rest easy. The wind carried his words away. Night fell over Konoha. The village lights turned on. Shinobi returned home. Children laughed again. Life continued. Naruto stood on the Hokage monument, looking over everything. This village, this life, this future, this is what we protect. Shikamaru appeared beside him. You figured it out, didn't you? Naruto nodded. Yeah. A pause. Being Hokage isn't about being the strongest. Shikamaru smirked slightly. Obviously. Naruto smiled. It's about carrying everyone who came before. Shikamaru looked at him, then at the village. That sounds like something Asuma sensei would say. Naruto nodded. Yeah. The wind moved softly. For a brief moment, Naruto felt it again. Not as a presence, not as something outside, but inside. A quiet warmth. Steady, unshakable. Naruto closed his eyes. I'll carry it forward. The night sky filled with stars. And somewhere, not seen, not heard, but felt, a will, still burned. The night over Konoha was calm. Stars filled the sky. The village lights glowed softly below. Everything looked normal, peaceful. But for Naruto, nothing was the same anymore. He stood at the top of the Hokage monument, looking over the village he had sworn to protect. Not as a fighter, not as a hero, but as someone who finally understood. Asuma sensei, Naruto whispered. There was no pain in his voice now. No regret, only clarity. That day hadn't just been about remembering. It had been about learning. Naruto took a slow breath. All this time, he thought strength meant power. Winning battles, defeating enemies, saving the world. But today, he realized something deeper. Strength wasn't about what you could destroy. It was about what you chose to protect. Naruto's eyes softened. As long as someone carries it forward, no one is ever truly gone. The wind moved gently, and for a moment, he felt it again. Not as a presence, not as a figure, but as warmth. Right inside him. Naruto smiled slightly. Yeah. Footsteps approached. Shikamaru. You're still up here, he said lazily. Naruto didn't turn. Just thinking. Shikamaru walked beside him, looking over the village. Everything's back to normal. Naruto shook his head slightly. No. Shikamaru glanced at him. Naruto's voice was calm. It's better now. A small pause. Shikamaru smirked faintly. Guess you finally figured it out. Naruto nodded. Yeah. They stood in silence for a while, the wind passing between them. Then Naruto spoke again. Asuma sensei didn't just protect people. Shikamaru listened. He trusted them. Naruto's eyes focused on the village below. He believed they would carry things forward. Shikamaru's expression softened. That's why he chose us. Naruto smiled faintly. And now we choose the next ones. Down below, children were running through the streets, laughing, training, dreaming. Naruto watched them. This is what we protect. Not just land, not just buildings, but people, memories, future. Shikamaru crossed his arms. That thing we fought today. Naruto nodded. Yeah, You think it's really gone? Shikamaru asked. Naruto thought for a moment, then smiled. No. Shikamaru raised an eyebrow. Naruto's voice was calm, and that's a good thing. Shikamaru understood. Right. Because it wasn't meant to disappear. It was meant to continue. Naruto turned away. There's something I need to do. Shikamaru sighed. Of course there is. Troublesome. But he followed anyway. Later that night, at the training ground, a group of young shinobi stood waiting. Confused, curious. Naruto walked toward them. No Hokage cloak, no title, just Naruto. One of the kids stepped forward. Lord Hokage. Naruto shook his head slightly. Just Naruto. They looked surprised. Naruto smiled. I want to teach you something. One kid asked excitedly. A new jutsu. Naruto chuckled. No, a pause. Something more important. The wind moved softly. Naruto's voice became steady. Being a shinobi isn't about being strong. The kids grew quiet. It's about protecting what matters. Shikamaru leaned against a tree nearby, watching. Choji stood beside him, smiling slightly. Naruto continued. One day, someone will depend on you. The kids listened carefully. And when that day comes, Naruto placed his hand on his chest. Don't hesitate. A soft wind passed. Warm, familiar. Naruto smiled slightly. Because someone once trusted me the same way. Shikamaru closed his eyes briefly. Yeah, the kids nodded, understanding. Not completely, but enough. Naruto looked at them one last time. That's all for today. They bowed and left, talking among themselves. But something had changed. Naruto stood alone again, looking at the sky. It's done. The wind answered, soft, and somewhere, not seen, not heard, but felt, a presence smiled, not as a spirit, not as a memory, but as something far stronger, a legacy. Because on that day, Asuma's death anniversary, nothing came back, nothing was revived, but something more important happened. His will was completed. And from that moment on, Naruto didn't just protect the village. He carried every will within it. And that changed everything. Some stories don't end. They move forward, not as memories, but as strength. A teacher was lost, but his lessons remained. A man was gone, but his trust lived on. On that day, Naruto didn't just remember Asuma. He understood. True strength isn't about fighting. It's about protecting. Every promise, every sacrifice becomes a flame, and that flame never fades. Because as long as someone carries that will forward, no one is ever truly gone. Some people don't become history, they become legacy. And on that day, a legacy was fulfilled. The end.